The 2008 6 Series. The mission of the BMW 6 Series is to cover lots of road in a hurry while making you look and feel great, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, airbags, alloy wheels, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, trip computer, power windows, fog lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.